Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Keto McGriddles. For this recipe you'll need some breakfast sausage, 1 cup of mozzarella, 2 eggs, some sugar-free maple syrup, and a mini waffle maker. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in right now. Basically what we're doing is we're making chaffles for the bun. I'm going to start off by making that first. Alright, I'll set that off to the side and I'll wait for the waffle maker to warm up. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and make some sausage patties. Okay, so the chaffle's been cooking for about 4 minutes. I'm going to lift this up and add in a little bit of maple syrup. Sometimes it's useful to use tongs to lift up the lid because that steam is really, really hot. Okay. All right, now I'll just repeat the process for the other remaining 3. This should make 4 chaffles altogether. All right, now that the chaffles are done, I'm gonna get started on the sausage patties. All right, so I got my pan hot and ready to go. I'm gonna add the sausage patty to the pan. Alright, now it's time to assemble our McGriddles. Totally optional, but you can pop these in the toaster if you want them to be nice and warm. I'm doing a double patty, because why not? Alright guys, there you go. Keto McGriddle.